my channel. And this is Shane from Philippines, and I'm currently living in the UK. For today's video, I have an amazing recipe for you that you can make at home. You can share it with your friends, family, relatives, visitors, or you can also share it with your enemy to make her feel better. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we need to make this pork belly recipe. Alright, here are the ingredients that we need to make this pork belly recipe. First, we have 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, ginger, pork belly, 1 kilogram, carrots, what do you call this? 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 small size of bell pepper, 1 large size of onion, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, pepper, and a pinch of carraway seeds. And also you can add some chilies if you want, but this is optional. Okay, let's start cooking.